And we're officially off. It is 7:58 in the morning on, what's the date? What's today's
24th.
date? The 24th. Here we go. We're about to head to the park and it just started raining, sprinkling a little bit. It's pretty chilly. It's like 62, but by the lake, since we're by Lake Erie, it's cold. It's chilly. I got a full-blown like sweatshirt on and jeans to go to the damn park. But yeah, we're all set up. We're ready to go. We got our Memorial Day lights on that are flashing red, white, and blue. I don't know why on camera that looks orange, but it's really red in person. I think that they have this really cool like lakeside cafe or something like that. I don't know. So we might grill out, but with the rain and being on the lake, I don't know. I have no idea. Just is like rain here, rain there. So it's probably how it's going to be all weekend. But are you ready?
The Maverick.
That's the Maverick?
I think.
That's the Maverick. We're right by the
Maverick. You're right.
Maverick.
Thank you for correcting me. Thank you.
It's the Maverick. No, bitch, it's the Maverick.
If you put that on your channel, I swear to God.
Love you. We have no idea what we are.
Not good.
Not good. No idea. This is some like, what's that show we were watching? Where it's like all the stairs. Everybody dies. Everybody dies. They all die in the stairs.
Hold on, let's see what's
Come
in
on. Ba ba ba. Oh shit. Oh shit.
We're not even in this hotel.
What up, son? Woo! Oh, he just knocked on somebody's freaking door. You're a freaking douchebag. You knocked on somebody's door.
The answer.
I'm pretty sure I peed on myself. We don't know where we are. I think we're in Breakers. We're in Breakers.
I'm not sure where we are. We're in a concrete hotel. That's all I know.
Hi. Like your hair.
Thank you.
Hi.
Yeah.
God damn it.
How do we get to the lobby?
Oh wait, where are you
The
going?
lobby? Is this the lobby?
Isn't this the? Oh yeah.
You guys
Yeah.
go.
You guys
Just
go.
kidding. Thanks so much. Appreciate it. We've had Yag. I'm sorry. They hate us.
You're an idiot.
You're a f***ing idiot.
Ooh.
Hi. Squirrel.
Oh my god, we're right
Squirrel.
back where we started. That's
Jesus.
so cool.
I'm gonna do dance.
That's okay, that's okay.
I'm dancing.
That's terrible. Boo. Oh my god, I can do this all day. What does that mean? I thought I did pretty good.
No.
I thought I did great.
No, you failed. We failed. We failed really bad. It's Saturday and we actually convinced our friend Scott, who, if you guys have been watching me for a while, you know who Scott is. He came to Vegas with us one year. He went to New Orleans with us. So we're waiting on him and then we're gonna go to the park. So we're just enjoying the views in the wind, and it's gonna rain, but this is beautiful. throw up. Chris is nauseous. If you come to Cedar Point, make sure you ride the Maverick. That was awesome. That's probably our favorite ride so far. That was wild. We just got off Steel Vengeance. Holy shit, I think that's the first roller coaster in a long time that actually legit scared the ever-living out of me.
I have a headache from this one screaming the entire time.
That was scary, but now we're going to go meet Scott. I have no idea where he is, but he's here. And they got one of these cottages, so we're going into their, or cabins, cottage, whatever, but it's right on the lake. But yeah, they're staying the night, so we're going inside. We don't have a roller coaster. It is so loud. But yeah, we don't have passage of the park today, so it's supposed to rain all day again. It's a shitty weekend. It's just raining all weekend on and off. But it's supposed to rain literally all day. It's already rained twice this morning, and it's only like 11. So since Barb and Scott are here, we are going to, I guess, go get food somewhere, some Bloody Marys, day drink. Why not? Bob and Scott have officially left. It's still sprinkling a little bit, but we don't have park passes today. I can't remember if I told you that or not. So we're gonna go down to the pier and do some fishing.